Hey guys, welcome to another solopreneur finance tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to define and show you what is OKX wallet. It is a multi-chain, non-custodial Web3 wallet developed by OKX, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It allows users to manage crypto assets, explore DeFi, NFTs, and dApps across multiple blockchains, all from one interface. As you can see, this is the interface or the introduction to the OKX wallet. You're going to find here the menu and you can find everything. You need only to connect your wallet by clicking on connect wallet. Then you are going to find here which wallet you are going to have. We have the extension on the Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. We have the OKX wallet app, which is should be into your phone. Or you can have some other wallets like Wallet Connects, MetaMask, Phantom, and Mini Wallet. So basically, you can go ahead and have a large marketplace into their platform, and also you can have some ways to earn some cryptos by having the investments added. For example, we have the Amnes Finance Bonus, we have the choice to join the Story DeFi season, and etc. So it is going to be a cool way for the passionate about earning some assets from here and there. Also for trade, it is going to be for swaps and also for the advanced, which is going to have you here trading the hottest tokens, also meme tokens, and etc. You can find all the tokens that you want from trending, the meme pumps, as you can see here, and everything. For example, for leaderboard, signals, and also tracker. So you can get a higher a signal to get real-time smart money signals and unlock market insights. This is going to help you a lot for trading. Now, aside from that, we are going to talk about the key features of the platform. Basically, it is going to have a multi-chain support. So it is going to support over 70 blockchains, including Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Solana, Bitcoin, and more. Also, it is going to enable seamless cross-chain swaps with its built-in bridge aggregator. So this is the swap that we have talking about. You're going to head over the trade, click on swap, and it is going to let you here swap the specific coins or tokens. So we have the swap, and also we have the aggregation bridge, which is going to be nearly the same as this. So we have the DEX aggregator. It is going to be suspended in my region because I have some let's say region restriction. It is not going to support this type of let's say exchanging and etc. So if you're going to be inside Europe or the US, you're going to be normally eligible for this DEX aggregator. Moving on to the second feature, we have the app is well known for the non-custodial and also the security. The users has the full control of their private keys and also their seed phrases. It is also going to integrate hardware wallet support and biometric authentication. That is going to be for the security measurement. Now, also it has a NFT management system. So you can go ahead and have here the NFTs management system into the app or the platform. It is going to let the users view, send, and receive the NFTs into their account or their wallets. It is going to integrate with the major NFT marketplaces. When you're going to find here the marketplace itself, you are going to find here the NFTs and etc. Also the groups or the collections, as you can see. And also it is going to have the DeFi integration. It is going to give the access to yield farming, stacking, and lending protocols through the wallet, and also optimizing, or it is going to be optimized for gas efficiency. As you can see, when we are going to have here this specific pump or this gas tracker, it is going to give you here the price of it, also the base, the priority, how you can send or what you can trade, NFT markets, and etc. Now, for the cross-platform possibility, it is going to be available also as a browser extension and mobile app for iOS or Android. And also they have the synchronization across the devices. So everything that you're going to put maybe into the browser extension or your, let's say here, mobile app, it is going to be synchronized to the other specific platforms, which is going to be known as synchronization cross platforms. Now, let's talk about the pros before the cons for this platform. It is going to be highly versatile. It handles everything from assets management to DeFi and NFTs. It is going to be a user-friendly UI. As you can see, we have a very this is only the introduction or the interface presentation, but it is going to have the as you can see, easiness to read, to see everything about the platform. So it is going to be a user-friendly UI. It has a clean interface that is good for both beginners and experienced users. Also, it is going to be active developed, so they have frequent updates and strong support from OKX. It is integrated, or they have the integrated DEX and bridge that is going to let you enable one-click token swaps and cross-chain transfers. This has been mentioned on the key features, and it is going to be a pro. So, as you can see on the marketplace, we have the meme pump, we have the leaderboard, the signal, and the tracker. So you're going to find whatever you want from here and everything about the cryptocurrencies. Now, let's talk about the cons. We have not a lot of cons, but it is going to be something that the most users has complained about. Well, the first one is going to be the tied to a centralized exchange brand. While the wallet is non-custodial, some users may view its connection to OKX exchange skeptically. So it is going to put a lot of questions in here, also a lot of maybe concerns in between the users. Now, it could be or it can be overwhelming for newbies with so many features that it might be too much for the first time users. As you can see, we have tons of features, tons of, let's say here, options that we can put in here. If you're going to be a newbie or a new, let's say, cryptocurrency explorer, it is going to be overwhelming for you because of the lot of options, so you can not see whatever you're going to start with, you finish with, or you can learn from. And finally, they have the limited Bitcoin functionalities. Though it supports Bitcoin, but it is not as flexible for BTC specific feature compared to wallets like Electrum or Sparrow. These are going to be only the cons that they have declared, or I have been seen and also declared from the viewers or the users. Now, let's come to a conclusion about this specific platform. Basically, OKX Wallet is one of the most advanced and comprehensive Web3 wallets currently available. It is ideal for users who want access to multiple blockchains, NFTs, and DeFi in only one place. It is a mix of user control, wide functionalities, and seamless integration with the OKX ecosystem, which makes it a top contender into the crypto wallet space. So for who I'm going to recommend this platform? Basically, I'm going to recommend it for the intermediate to advanced users and also Web3 enthusiasts, and finally, for those who are already using the OKX exchange system, because they are going to be very familiar and also they have an idea about the options that they are going to get on the OKX wallet and not overwhelmed like a beginner for the specific system of it or the options that you're going to get. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.